Are we still on day 2? What time is it? You got the time? You don't have a watch? You got a phone? You're not technical. Got it. Got it. Got it. You playing Pac-Man? You're right. You're right. Alright guys, let's go. You already know what it is. It's Crypto.com. It's time to move through the banking system. And there's 2 reasons why you're seeing Crypto.com here. One reason is it comes with a card. Okay, it comes with a Visa card. It's partnered with Visa. If you guys don't remember, back in the days, there was a rush to get cryptocurrency to debit cards, credit cards. Okay, of course, you guys already know Visa is going to be all over that lane. So here they are. This is now, let's go back real quick. Let's go back to the home. Okay, so this is now Crypto.com, and you can see their coin there, CRO, right there in the middle, right under Binance Coin. Okay, it used to be MCO, which stood for Monaco Coin. All right, same thing applied. Their real product is the debit card. It's the ability to utilize cryptocurrency through the world, through Visa, right? So that's online, that's everything that you need, right? FDIC, right? So let's go back to the home, okay? Now up here, you can see, of course, your market, you can see your favorites. I'm pretty sure you can go inside your settings and kind of fool around with that. All right, but at the top, you'll see your total balance. Okay, there's trade, there's transfer up there, right? You can see if you scroll down the top gainers, there's going to be some crypto news that you can scroll through. Okay, and you can see here with the new move, the people who used to have the MCO token, they can swap it right now, and they only have 61 days to do that. What's going to happen after those 61 days? I've kind of been through stuff like that when the feds came in 2018. I do believe you just lose that. You understand? So if people haven't been paying attention, right? 2 months is really easy to get out of the order of things, and they can actually miss that. Okay. The 2 chat bubbles at the top right, you guys see that? Ping. Crypto.com, what you got? You got a question? What you need? Alright, so get it in right there if you don't understand what's going on. But basically, this is just another way for you to maneuver from Forex, right, with the debit card, also with the cryptocurrency, right? So you can go cryptocurrency to Forex, you can go debit banking to Forex through here. You can also go from crypto to crypto through here. You can also move your crypto from Voyager that you're getting over there. Over here, you can get more rewards, and then you can move it back to Voyager. You can get more rewards. It's crazy the way that we're doing this, but it's insane and it works. And essentially, the more people you help utilize this strategy, the better for you, because you have your broker giving you referral fees and bonus rewards. You have Voyager, of course, giving you guys $25 unlimited for free per friend and family that you show this to, or a stranger. Definitely, hey, tickle a stranger, be like, I'm sorry, that wasn't me. That was my Voyager app. I just got another $25 for free in Bitcoin. Don't do that, guys. Don't do that. I don't know if that's gonna work. But, okay, you also have Crypto.com giving you guys $50 free per referral. You guys see it down here. Let's click that little bubble down at the right. Look, baby. Use my code. No. If somebody showed you this, use their code. Okay? And that's how that goes. Otherwise, it negates the purpose. You understand? I'm simply just here as a spokesperson because I've kind of been doing this for a while and I know exactly what needs to be done, and that's some cool stuff. Okay? We'll try this again. Hit the question mark at the top right. What is up, player? It's not me. Alright, so that's just a blank screen. I'm pretty sure you can go online and look at their referral bonus. Okay, just Google it. I'm sure you can get some more detailed information. Alright, but that's pretty easy, pretty simple. Of course, you're going to have to unlock your $50 through the sign up bonus. And you simply just click on this Okay, and it says unlock your $50 USD worth of CRO. Reserve your metal MCO Visa card, and you have to stake at least 1,000 CROs. Okay, so if you need 1,000 CROs, basically at 18 cents, you just got to do the math. Okay, so you'll need about that many, or utilize that much cash, or move that much Bitcoin over. Purchase you some crypto coins, right? And get you a freaking card. Let's press view or change. So they have the midnight blue, that's a certain level, right? It gives you certain things, certain perks. It's also PVC. The ruby starts, I do believe, the metal versions. Yep. And then here you go, you have the jade. So they're giving you 100% cash back if you have Netflix or Spotify. So that's pretty sick, right? You get the airport lounge for free. Shut up. I'm in the lounge? I'm in the lounge, guys. You get 16% CRO staking rewards, so that's money just coming back to you, right? That's pretty cool stuff. It's pretty cool perk. All because you're going to be doing this anyways, and you should have been doing this anyways. You understand? Okay. You have the icy white or the rose gold. Sexy. You're still getting that 100% Spotify, Netflix, and now you're getting Prime. Amazon Prime. You guys are getting 100%. What? I need. Oh my god. Guys, let's see. It says Amazon Prime reimbursement up to $12.99 USD equivalent every month. I'm missing out. I missed that whole point. If you guys know anything about Twitch, Twitch uses Amazon Prime to get free subscriptions, right, for the streamers. Oh my god, guys, the wheels, they just turn all the time. Alright, extra 2% APR in crypto earned, that's crazy, 18% on the staking rewards, 10% back on Expedia, and you get the, look at the guests, we chilling in the airport lounge like this. I'm silver, that's rose gold. Nice to meet you. We both up in there, baby. Look, City, what you giving me? Okay, it look 5% back on all card spend, and this one's 4% back. I think that's the only difference that I'm really seeing here. I like it. Let me see, hold on, let's go down here to the Prime. Okay, same thing. Alright, so pretty cool stuff. Black card looks pretty dope as well. That's all you guys gotta do, and then boom, you'll be able to get those rewards, and that's pretty easy, pretty simple, guys and girls. And of course, keep stacking these circles, fill these circles up, and it's real easy to show people, okay, what we're doing here. All right, that's why we set this up, so you're not alone. You're not alone. Bring your friends, bring your family, and allow them to get around the currency flow, baby. Get the rowboat and make it the money. Making the more money. I'm out.